Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are not going to do much of programming or software development. All we are going to be doing today is just for me to introduce what this channel is all about to you and to tell you what kind of content you are going to be getting from this channel. But before we do that, hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button so that you can get more videos from me. So before we start, let's list out some things we are going to be doing on this channel. And first and foremost, we are going to be doing software development, which involves web design, web development. That means we are going to do the front end, we are going to do back end, and lots of amazing things. And also we are going to learn how to build responsive mobile apps if the need arises. And also we are going to be discussing issues concerning technology. So you can also bring up an issue in the comment section, and I'm going to make a video on that, and we are all going to discuss it here. And also the last thing we are going to be doing on this channel is to give you content that will enable you to get the right resources for whatever course under software development you want to learn. So let's write that out. We are going to be giving out content that will provide the right resources for you to choose the right course under software development. Hope that is okay. So till we see again, I've listed out what we are going to be doing on the channel, and if you have any questions, you can ask your question in the comment section and I'll get back to you within a short time. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.